Now install the tailpiece. First with the plastic ferrule which sits inside. It seals up to the strainer, and then the nut which holds it in place. Just like so. You don't want to come down too hard on it. In other words, it'll wreck the seal. I like to do it just hand tight. And then just slight quarter turn with the pliers, not even a quarter turn, just a hair. Slip it over the two tail pieces. These are called slip joints. And then tighten down the compression nuts to the slip joint. The easiest one to do hand tight. You don't want to use a wrench on these. Now that you got your trap arm in, all that's left to do is to hook up the P-trap. The union nut, and one screws into the other. This one, you definitely only want to go hand tight, and do not use a wrench. Like so. Snug everything else up, and you're done.